How to add pictures to a TikTok video. If you want to combine photos and videos into your TikTok, it's super simple to do so, and there's a few ways that you can do it. So depending on if you're recording a video or if you're uploading one, you have two different ways that you can add photos to the video. So we'll start off by showing you how you can do it if you're recording a video. So we're going to start just recording really quick. And if you release your finger, you can then add a photo to your video by selecting the effects option on the left-hand side of your record button. And if you go to the trending tab for your effects, you'll see an option with an image and an arrow down. This effect allows you to upload a photo as a virtual background, but you can work around it a bit so that you just add the photo to your video. So if we select this icon, an automatic image will appear, but just above your effects section, you'll see various photos, which are photos from our camera roll. So we can select any image that we want to add, and it will automatically apply it to your video. Now, because this is a filter and it acts as a virtual background, you want to make sure that there's no people or faces in the way of the camera. So we'll show you if we wave our hand in front of our camera, our hand begins to show up because it's acting as a virtual background. So once you have your photo selected and applied, you can just hold down the record button again to record the photo as part of your video. And then if you want to remove the photo from your video, just go back to your effects and turn off the effect. You can then continue filming, or you can add another picture. Once you have your video and photo recorded, you can select the check mark in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And this is what our video ends up looking like. So we have our video, and then it switches to our photo, and then back to the video. Now if we go back and say you want to upload a video and photos that you have in your camera roll, you'll just select the upload button. And from here, all of your content is sorted by videos and images. So while you're under the videos tab, you can select the ones that you want to add. Then let's say we wanted to add an image after that video, we can switch over to the image tab and select the image that we want to add. And we can add one or more to that. And then we'll add another video. So once you have all the videos and photos that you want to include in your TikTok, you can click Next in the bottom right corner. So this is a preview of what our video is going to look like. And it switches from video to different photos and back to video again. And then if we click Next in the bottom right-hand corner, we can post our video to our profile page. And if we watch it, we'll have a mix of video and photos in our TikTok. And that's how to add pictures to a TikTok video. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.